LinkedIn outreach is one of the best ways to get high-paying clients, but of course no one wants to do it manually. That's why people resort to using LinkedIn automation tools, but with so many out there, it's hard to know which one is the right for you. That's why I took my time this week to find the best LinkedIn outreach tools, and we'll go through them today, ranking them out, going feature by feature to see which one of these tools is the best for you. And you'll be able to make the decision yourself because all of the information is here. Now, if you want access to this sheet, check in the description and let's get to it. Now, first feature that's most important, at least I think, is senders. Basically, the amount of LinkedIn accounts you can connect to conduct outreach with, because this determines the volume of your outreach. And as you know, volume is key. So Valaxy only allows one account. This is for the lowest plan. All the features are for the lowest plan. One account, Get Sales one account, Dripify limited, AimFox is unlimited, and Salesforge is unlimited. So for both of them, I'll add a star so we know which of these tools are actually the best. Now, HeyReach, Phantom Buster all allow one account each, meaning if you want more, if you want to scale your outreach, you'll have to pay extra, which is not ideal for a lot of situations. Now, campaign setup, this is basically how you set up the campaigns. Is it automatic? Is it manual? It's all the flows, reaching out to the prospect, sending emails, viewing their profile, whatever it is. So most of it is manual with some templates. Only Sellinger AI has an auto one. So I'll give it a star, but as you can see, most of the tools will have manual setup, which is not difficult. You just add a couple of steps. If else statements determine how long to wait between each step, so on and so forth. Now, Valaxy also has templates, so I'll give it a star as well. Now, let's talk about Primebox. Primebox is basically a place where all of your replies come together. So if you're going to be sending outreach with multiple accounts, you don't want to log into each account to reply to prospect, to check the replies and all of that stuff. So you don't want to do that. That's why you need a software that gives you free access to a Primebox. Now, a lot of these have it, so I will not give a star to each one of them, but Valaxy does not have it, which is a bummer. Phantom Buster and some other ones here, Sellinger. So I suggest you use one with a Primebox, otherwise you'll be logging into multiple LinkedIn accounts from one IP probably, unless you use proxies and to detect browsers, and it's gonna be cumbersome, right? Now, multi-channel outreach. Multi-channel refers to outreach on multiple channels, so LinkedIn, email, WhatsApp, Twitter, whatever it is, cold calling. Now, the more channels, the better, of course. As we can see, Lag Growth Machine has a lot of channels. Email, LinkedIn, X, and call reminders. Meet Alfred has email, LinkedIn. What else? Salesforge has email, LinkedIn. Expandi has email, LinkedIn. I will not give all of them a star, but you probably should choose one with email and LinkedIn at least. So if you reach out on LinkedIn and the prospect does not reply, you send them an email. Or if you do email outreach, perhaps they don't reply, you then send them a LinkedIn message, right? This greatly increases the reply rate. Lemlist also has it, but the limited email accounts, and the rest of the tools do not have multi-channel outreach feature. Now let's look in the lead database, basically a way to get leads. Most of these platforms do not have lead databases, meaning you'll have to go ahead, search for leads yourself, use external software, pay for more leads, which is not ideal. You need more tools. So let's give some of them a star. I'll say Get Sales has a Chrome extension to get leads from LinkedIn. That might be useful. Same with Salesforge. Phantom Buster is a whole like a scraping app. Lag Growth Machine, Meet Alfred, let's give them a star as well. They include a lead database, so you'll get leads easily. Now, auto replies. This is basically a feature that will automatically reply on your behalf to keep the conversation going, to send a meeting link, a booking link, a reply to prospects' questions and objections. So it's a super important feature. Most of the tools don't have this feature. Salesforge does have a draft feature. HeyReach does have auto replies feature, but the rest of them do not. Auto follow-ups, well, follow-ups you can set up with any app. So Salesforce draft feature works is you set up your knowledge base with your information, company information, product information, and each reply you can draft a reply to reply faster. Now pricing, this is where most of the things break, because remember, most of these tools do not allow unlimited LinkedIn outreach, unlimited LinkedIn sender profiles connected, which means, for example, for HeyReach, you'll pay $79 per sender per month, which is insane. Just 10 accounts would set you back almost $1,000. So the most value are tools, of course, like AimFox and Salesforge, because they have unlimited senders and they only have $96 per month or 39 months per seat for LinkedIn and email outreach. But the most affordable is probably LinkedIn Helper, so I'll give it a star as well. And there are some other tools that are pretty affordable. So if you only need one LinkedIn account, you probably can go with tools like Wallaxy, LinkedIn Helper, or SalePro, right? If you're not planning to scale, if you don't care about that, these tools will be the best for you. Integrations, most apps have webhooks, Zapier, Make, all of the automation integrations, webhooks, CRMs like Go High Level, Salesforge, right? Slack, Smart Lead, Slack and Innate, all of that stuff. So nothing important here. Of course, you might want to get an app with as many integrations as possible. Other things, so API webhooks in Get Sales, profile auto warm-up on Expandi, renting accounts on AimFox, which is a pretty nice feature. If you want to scale, you can rent out accounts without creating more. Salesforge, so the plan covers free email warm-up, unlimited mailboxes, then active contacts, AI hyper-personalization, and more. Phantom Buster is more like a scraping tool. Lemlist has an extension. Meet Alfred, social media posts, La Grove Machine, proxies, so on and so forth. Now for white labeling, if that's important for you, Salesflow has white labeling, Meet Alfred has white labeling, HeyReach, Salesforge has white labeling, and Get Sales also has white labeling. So this is what it looks like currently. Salesforge has 4 stars, La Grove Machine has 2, Meet Alfred has 2. Of course, you can make the decision for yourself. As I said, I'll link this in the description down below, so take a look and find the app that works best for you. But if you want a video on Salesforge, the app that has gotten the most stars, which is 5, I suggest you take a look at this video. Otherwise, it was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.